Yo, what's up guys, Nqobile here from Top Trader South Africa. Anyway guys, so today's video I am going to be giving you guys a very simple way to analyze the market. So like the broker I'll be using today is JustForex. So when it comes to picking a broker, it's a really tricky thing during these times. There's a broker that I am going to recommend to you guys. It's a good broker. They are regulated, so it's called JustForex. Brokers are brokers, guys. Let's just get that out the way. Brokers are brokers. It's just about choosing the right one for you. With JustForex, I've had a good experience so far, and I'm pretty I'm happy. You know, no complaints from my side. I'm not trying to complain about anything, but like, yeah, so I'm just gonna recommend that to you guys. And if you guys like it or want to check it out, use it for yourself and see how that goes, use the link in the description, and then, you know, go there and check it out for yourself. But I'm just gonna go over some of the things and then we'll get straight to the strategy that I'm going to show you guys. Very simple, it's a no-brainer. But like I said guys, I'm just going to quickly go through the benefits of trading with this broker, and then we're going to get to strategy in a few, and then yeah, so that's what this is all about. You know, I'm just going to give you guys a very simple, I don't know if I can't call it the easiest strategy I've used, but for me it's a no-brainer. But the problem is that it requires you to do a whole lot of research before it gets easier, because some people are like, nah, Forex is easy. Those are people who've been doing it for years. It comes easy to them. They have a trading edge that's better than you as an individual who's just trying to start out. So that's what JustForex is promising us: spreads from 0 pips. Which is really cool though. Like, you know, sometimes there's nothing more annoying than paying too much on spreads for a trade that you just executed. And leverage up to 3,000. crazy. Give me some leverage, baba. Give me some leverage. You know, I use that to my favor. Strategies that allow all strategies to be traded here. So if you got a fire strategy that you know is gonna kill, then this is the place you want to be. MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4. Okay, this is really good. I am like slowly adapting to MetaTrader 5 from MetaTrader 4. So I think when a broker offers MetaTrader 5 as well, which is really good. And also they offer a wide range of currency pairs, precious metals for traders who want to earn, and they've also got indices. So I know for us South African traders, Nasdaq is there. I know you guys, Nasdaq has to be there, which is also called the US 100, and as well as order execution from the. Now guys, order execution, there will be nothing annoying than having a broker that can't give you fast order execution. Why? Because when you execute your order, you want it to be done on the spot. Anyway guys, let us get to the trading, because I know that's what you guys came here for. You guys came here for the trading. I'm gonna give you guys the trading. Okay, anyway guys, we got the US 100 over here. We can also see that US 100 is also known as Nasdaq as well, and the NAS 100 as well. So look at the weekly charts right now. You can see that it is trading in a range that's the highest it's ever been. We can see on the daily it's in the current uptrend right now. It's a bullish market. And I'm gonna do my execution on a 1 hour chart and my analysis on a 1 hour chart as well. So as you guys can see, there's an uptrend, and you can see there's a bit of a head and shoulders formation over there. So we're expecting the formation to finish off, but it is also an uptrend as well, so it might go all the way up, but we are expecting a head and shoulders to finish. So this is the setup I'm currently seeing. We just opened the charts and we can really see something. So if you look there, the previous lows or rejections over there, you can see that right there in that region there was a bit of trade-off between buyers and sellers. When we got there to the top, we had the same situation there where people got there and like, no, we're happy with what we have, closing our positions and all that, and the sellers came in, and as you can see, sellers decided to come in real hard. As you can see, we are expecting the market to go I'm expecting the market to go to 106.05 or 106.0. So I'm going to be taking about 500 points on this position. Yeah, on my account, I'm going to place a trade and look to take about that, because as you can see, when you look at the previous intraday, you can see where the market turned. So I'm expecting it to also do the same thing here, and I'm expecting the psychology behind this whole thing is expecting everyone in the market to react the same way they did over there, so that when we are here where we're at, so we're gonna go back up again, so buyers are gonna come in hard. I'm also gonna be a buyer as well. I'm coming in at a nice 10 cents on US 100, and yeah, so I am expecting that, guys. Like I said, I'm looking for 500 points, but for 10 cents on Nasdaq it's about $50. I've got a $175 account, which is about 3,000 South African rands. And yeah, and then on the other side, you guys can see my stop loss. Now guys, it's really important to put a stop loss there. That is where I'm accepting the fact that this trade did not go my direction, you know. So I'm like, no, I'm not gonna risk all my money. There has to be a point where you need to decide for yourself that, no, at this point I am accepting the fact that this trade did not go in my direction. So guys, always make sure you guys use a stop loss as well, guys. When you're wrong, you're wrong. We're students of the market, we're constantly learning, so that's what this is all about. So guys, I'm gonna check in with you. The trade went in. The trade really did go in, and I'm pleased with the results. As you guys can see, what happened is obviously we bought over there, guys. Starters, I could give you whatever reason as to why the trade went in, but honestly the trade happened because the trade happened. Simple as that. You guys saw that my level which I was looking for was up here at over here, and it just went past that, went all the way up there. You know, as you can see, just over there you see that point over there as well. So it just went up there. The head and shoulders kind of formed over there. We expected for it to complete the head and shoulders. So that is what happened. So yeah, guys, just when analyzing, you guys need to understand something, is that where, especially places where the market kind of turns, you understand that there's buyers and the sellers, and the selling pressure and buying pressure. So when I say buying pressure, I'm not talking about all the sellers. What I could mean by that is that there could be 10 people buying at the same time, or there could be 1,000 people buying at the same time. But also understand, on the other side of the trade, there's also going to be 10 people selling, or 1,000 people selling as well. The moment there's an imbalance in the market, that's when the market is going to tip in the favor of the people buying, you know, or selling in that moment. So yeah, so basically that's how I see the market, as buyers and sellers. So I look at places like this, where you notice that you'll notice that the markets right there was a rejection right there. The sellers were trying to come through, but the buyers were like, yeah, because what had happened is that the previous intraday level over there, the way the market had turned, you saw right over there that, you know, it turned over there, and obviously the buyers kind of pushed the market up and it came down again, but the buyers were hoping to do the same thing at that point right there. So buyers could be literally any entity. I'm not saying it's confined to one individual, but you'll see from there the market did move in there. We just caught the right side of the trade. I am satisfied with the results from that. A good $50 on this account, currently chilling at $225. So yeah, so we'll come. That's how I see the market. That's how I analyze the market, but also take into the fact that also your chart patterns are also important, and price action is also important as well, so you can be able to identify from in the past when the market turned as well. So that's what I was able to deduce based on everything I'd studied, all the price patterns and candlestick patterns that I had known. That I was able to quickly deduce what formation was there, and I was also able to take into fact that, you know, buying pressure, selling pressure, also seeing how the buyers were also doing and the sellers were also doing in previous session, and making my own conclusion that the market was going to go this way, and I was going to go with the market as well. You can conclude for yourself that the market is going in one direction and then not be there, but I decided that I'm going to be within the trade. So guys, that's how I do. I was trading on the JustForex platform. I'm really happy with it. Honestly, no complaints from my end. Like I said, I've been using it for a while, so yeah, so it is what it is. So yeah guys, use the link in the description below to open up an account with JustForex. And yeah guys.